Put it on there. That's it. Just take your time putting it on. That's it. And you'll see the mirror form. It'll take a little bit of time. That's why the heat's going. You see, it's going off quite nicely already. You're getting a mirror reaction. There you go. That's a perfect mirror already. You can see how far that's gone off. Lift it with the wood, not the... That's it. You can just lift it with the wood. Probably from this end. That's it. You just go in one corner. That's it. You got it. Probably just need a little bit more liquid. Try not to let it run off though. There we go. That's great. Let that sit now. We will for just probably that bottom corner. Just lift it down here. You can just see that. Just there you go. Lift that corner over there as well. There we go. Just going to let it. That's it. I'll stop the video at this point. So this is still the back of the mirror now. Look. That's it. All come off. There's your mirror.